Addition of negative integers using number line. Example: evaluate the following using a number line. A. Minus 200 plus minus 600. B. Minus 3000 plus minus 4000. Solution. For the A part, we are to perform minus 200 plus minus 600. Then we draw our number line. As you can see, the numbers we are working with are in hundreds. So in order for this line to accommodate this, we can then do our number line in regular intervals where one step represents 100. So 0. To the left, we have minus 100, minus 200, minus 300, minus 400, minus 500, minus 600, minus 700. And then to the right, we have our positive integers, also in steps of 100. That is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, and so on. We always start from the neutral integer, that is 0. Now we're going to move 2 steps to the left to indicate our negative 200. That is, to perform minus 200, we go 2 steps to the left. This is because each step represents 100, and we are supposed to represent minus 200. So therefore, steps 1, 2 represent minus 200. Always put the sign for the direction in which you have moved. Now we are going to add minus 600. Because what we are adding is a negative integer, we are going to continue further to the left, this time in 6 steps. So from here, we count 6 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not enough. So we extend our number line. The next one after minus 700 will be minus 800, minus 900. Now let's see. 6 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now there we go. 6 steps to the left to indicate minus 600. Therefore, minus 200 plus minus 600 equals where we have stopped, which is minus 800. B. We are to perform minus 3000 plus minus 4000. Minus 3000 plus minus 4000. Draw your number line. Now on the number line indicates integers. These are in thousands, so each step can represent 1000 in order for this line to accommodate the large numbers we are dealing with. 0. To the right it will be 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000. Now to the left. Minus 1000, minus 2000, minus 3000, minus 4,000 minus 5,000 minus 6,000 minus 7,000 minus 8,000. Good. Starting from 0 now, we are going to move how many steps to the left? Remember, it is minus 3,000. And each step here indicates 1,000. So for 3,000, we go 3 steps. And since it is minus, we are going to go to the left. So from 0, count 3 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3. This represents our minus 3,000. From where we have stopped, we are now going to perform addition of minus 4,000. Because we are adding a negative integer, we continue to the left. So from 3,000, we count 4 steps to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. To indicate minus 4,000. Therefore, minus 3,000 plus minus 4,000 equals, as we can see from the number line, minus 7,000. Thank you.